Today I would like to run through with you how to do the increase in knitting of knit front and back, or KFB. I have worked the increase just on this edge. I've not been increasing on this edge. I like to work my increases one stitch in, just so that I've got a nice neat edge for any sewing. You can maybe just about make out the little tiny bumps just here, and this is from the increase. So let's get started in doing the increase. To work the knit front and back increase, or KFB, I'm just going to knit my edge stitch, and now I'm going to work the increase. So I'm going to knit into the front of the stitch, just as we would normally knit, through the front, and yarn around your needle and pop it through, but don't push this stitch off the left hand needle, keep that on. Now we're going to take our right hand needle around the back, and we're going to knit into that same stitch into the back. There we go. So we're here, and I'm just going into the back of that loop, and then yarn around, pull through to the front, and now we can knock this stitch off our left hand needle, and you can continue to the end. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have found this video useful, and I will see you again very soon. Happy crafting! Bye!